What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back to a new review. Today we have something a bit different. Today we are checking out a super cool looking RC car. So this right here is called the JJRC Q65 and you can find this for just under $45. And for the price this is a super fun toy to have. So this looks like one of those Willys Jeeps from the 1940s, and taking in consideration the price of this RC car, the attention to detail is pretty good. So we have a gas can on the back, we have a spare wheel, we have a steering wheel, we even have front and rear lights. Now we have red and white lights on the front and on the back, and I'm not sure why that is. They should have had like only white lights on the front and the red lights on the back, but you can easily disconnect those. So even though most of the car is made out of plastic, the frame underneath is made out of metal. We have all-wheel drive and we also have a front and a rear suspension, so the car can go off-roading up to a certain extent, but you're going to be somewhat limited by the car's power. And if you're looking for something more powerful and faster than this, well, you should probably consider something like this. I've actually done a review on this about a year and a half ago, and I'll leave a link in the video's description or the top right corner. So I've been using this for over a year and it still works, and that one is so much faster and better than this one in a lot of ways, but I think that's double the price. So for the price this is great, but if you want something better you should look somewhere else. If you open the hood you're gonna find a 4.8 volt 500 milliamp hour battery, but you're also gonna notice that there is enough room in there so you can actually replace that battery with a bigger one. But with the battery that comes in the box, you basically get between 10 to 12 minutes of playing time on one charge, and charging that battery takes just under 2 hours. So not that bad, but it would be nicer if you'd get like a bigger battery for it. Moving on to the controller, well, this looks better than some other JJRC cars that I've seen in the past, and we also have proportional steering and proportional throttle, and that means that the more you press the gas, the faster the car goes, and the more you turn the steering wheel to the right or to the left, the more the wheels will turn. So just like a normal car, basically. The range on this thing is about 30 to 40 meters. After that, it tends to disconnect, but 30 to 40 meters is pretty normal for one of these RC cars. So me personally, I never upgrade any of these RC cars because they're cheap enough, and if something breaks I can just buy another RC car, because buying replacement parts is gonna be kind of expensive. Now from what I've seen underneath, you can definitely upgrade a few things. You can upgrade the drive shaft, because this is made out of plastic, but you can definitely change that to a metallic drive shaft. You can potentially replace the motor, and as I said before, you can have a bigger battery inside. This so you can make it more powerful and faster. But me personally, I just buy them as they are. I play with them till they break and then I just replace them. But again, that's not for everyone. So to quickly conclude this video, for the price you can't really go wrong with this RC car. I mean, for 45 bucks you get a super cool looking RC car. It's also fun to play with. I wish it would have a bit more power and it would be a bit faster, but I guess the price would be higher if that would have happened. But as it is, it definitely offers good value and a lot of fun. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, press that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.